Airports are supposed to be safe and convenient, but here's a secret few travelers realize. Even something as routine as using an ATM can put you at risk. In 2025, thousands of seniors reported skimming, theft, or surveillance issues at airport ATMs, sometimes costing hundreds of dollars or delaying trips. Why? Airports are crowded, people are distracted, and scammers know seniors are an easy target if they're not careful. Today, we're breaking down the biggest ATM mistakes seniors make at airports and exactly how to protect your money, cards, and personal information. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use ATMs safely, spot scams, and avoid costly delays while traveling. Section 1. The Airport ATM Risk Factor. Many seniors assume all ATMs are safe, especially in airports. Why that's not true: ATMs are prime targets for skimmers, small devices that copy your card information. Cameras and fake keypads can record your PIN. Crowded locations make it easy for thieves to watch without being noticed. Real story: a 70-year-old traveler in Miami International Airport used an ATM near a terminal entrance. Unbeknownst to her, a small skimming device had been attached. 2 days later, her account was drained of $400. Lesson: it's not just a matter of caution, it's about preparation and observation. Section 2. Mistake number 1. Using ATMs near crowds. Seniors often choose the most convenient ATM, right by gates or restaurants. Why it's risky? Crowded areas make it easy for pickpockets or shoulder surfers to watch your PIN. Thieves may stand nearby and help, pretending to guide you. Travel tips: look for ATMs in well-lit, less crowded areas, ideally near bank branches inside the airport. Avoid ATMs right next to bathrooms, exits, or fast food lines. Always cover your PIN with your hand, even if you think no one is watching. Pro tip: use your body to shield the keypad. Even a small gesture like angling your hand can block cameras and prying eyes. Section 3. Mistake number 2. Ignoring skimming devices. Seniors often assume ATMs are tamper-proof. They're not. Warning signs of skimmers: card slot looks slightly loose or misaligned. Keypad feels soft, sticky, or unusual. Extra camera positioned above the screen. Inspect the ATM before inserting your card. If anything looks off, walk away and find another ATM. Prefer bank-branded ATMs inside terminals instead of standalone machines. Real-life story: a 68-year-old man in Chicago noticed a keypad that felt loose. He didn't use it and reported it immediately. Later, the bank confirmed it had been a skimming attempt. Section 4. Mistake number 3. Carrying excess cash. Many seniors withdraw large sums at airport ATMs thinking it's convenient. Why it's risky? Carrying hundreds of dollars increases the risk of theft or loss. Airport crowds make it easy for someone to grab your wallet or wallet bag. Travel tips: only withdraw what you need for immediate expenses. Keep smaller bills and coins separate from your main wallet. Use credit/debit cards whenever possible for safer transactions. Phrase to remember: I'm withdrawing just enough for today. Everything else stays safely in my travel wallet. Section 5. Mistake number 4. Forgetting to notify your bank. Many seniors think their bank knows they're traveling automatically. Why it matters: transactions in unusual locations can trigger fraud alerts. Your card may be temporarily blocked, causing stress and delays. Travel tips: notify your bank before traveling. Dates and airports. Consider travel-friendly cards that have international coverage and alerts. Have a backup payment method in case your primary card is flagged. Real-life story: a 71-year-old woman traveling to Miami had her card declined at the airport ATM. Her bank had frozen the card due to unusual activity. She missed her flight and had to wait for an emergency card replacement. Section 6. Mistake number 5. Using public Wi-Fi for mobile banking. Seniors often check balances or make transfers over airport Wi-Fi while using ATMs. Why it's dangerous? Public Wi-Fi can be hacked or spoofed. Criminals can capture login info and passwords. Travel tips: use your cellular network instead of public Wi-Fi for banking. Avoid banking apps or sites while standing at the ATM if connected to Wi-Fi. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Section 7. Mistake number 6. Not monitoring your account immediately. Some seniors withdraw cash or make payments without checking their account afterward. Why it's risky? Fraudulent withdrawals may go unnoticed for days. Detecting theft late reduces your ability to recover funds quickly. Travel tips. Check account balances on your phone after every ATM use. Enable fraud alerts via SMS or email. Report suspicious transactions immediately. Real-life story. A 69-year-old traveler didn't check her account for 48 hours after using an airport ATM. $500 was stolen, and resolving the issue took weeks. Section 8. Step-by-step senior ATM travel plan. 30 days before travel, review banking options and ATM security measures. Set up fraud alerts and two-factor authentication. 15 days before travel, identify safe ATMs at your departure and arrival airports. Carry a travel wallet or RFID protected sleeve. 3 days before travel, limit cash withdrawals, plan expenses. Review airport maps for bank locations and ATMs inside secure areas. Day of travel, inspect the ATM before using it. Withdraw only needed cash. Cover PIN and watch surroundings. After travel, review account activity immediately. Report any unusual transactions to your bank. Section 9. Insider tips for seniors to stay safe at airport ATMs. By now you understand that airport ATMs aren't dangerous by default, but they attract criminals because travelers are tired, distracted, and in a hurry. The good news? A few smart habits reduce your risk dramatically. Tip 1. Always use bank-owned ATMs inside the terminal. Not all ATMs are equal. The safest choice is ATMs operated by major banks located inside the terminal, past security when possible. Why this matters? These machines are monitored by cameras. They're inspected regularly. Criminals avoid them because tampering is harder. Avoid standalone ATMs, machines in hallways, parking areas, or baggage claim corners. Any ATM that looks poorly lit or isolated. If something feels off, trust your instincts and walk away. Tip 2. Be wary of helpful strangers. This is one of the most common airport scams targeting seniors. It usually sounds friendly. That machine is broken. Let me help you. You pressed the wrong button. But here's the truth. No legitimate helper needs to stand next to you while you use an ATM. Criminals use distraction to watch your PIN, swap cards, create confusion. If anyone approaches, stop the transaction immediately. Take your card, step away. You owe no explanation. Airport staff will never assist you directly at an ATM unless you request help from an official desk. Tip 3. Carry minimal cash. Less is safer. Seniors often carry more cash, just in case. That actually increases risk. The safer strategy: withdraw only what you need for a day or two. Avoid large lump withdrawals. Use credit cards for hotels, transport, and meals. If something does go wrong, limited cash means less financial loss, faster bank resolution, less stress. Also, use wallets with secure zippers. Keep cash in separate pockets. Avoid counting money in public view. Tip 4. Enable mobile alerts for every transaction. This is one of the strongest protections available today. Turn on SMS alerts, app notifications, email confirmations. Why this matters? You know instantly if something's wrong. Fraud can be stopped within minutes. Banks respond faster when alerts trigger early. Many seniors discover fraud days later, and that delay makes recovery harder. Instant awareness equals instant protection. Tip 5. Use travel-friendly payment methods. Modern travel is safer when you rely less on cash. Best options: credit cards with fraud protection, prepaid travel cards, contactless payments. Why credit cards are safer than debit cards? Fraud doesn't drain your bank balance. Disputes are easier to resolve. Built-in insurance and monitoring. Keep your debit card for ATM withdrawals only, not everyday spending. What to say if someone questions you? If staff or security are nearby and you feel uncomfortable, stay calm and neutral. Use this simple phrase: I'm using my bank card and withdrawing a small amount for personal use. Thank you for your help. Clear, confident, no extra information. Section 10. What to do if something goes wrong at an airport. ATM, even with preparation, mistakes and fraud can still happen. What matters most is how fast and how calmly you respond. Many seniors panic when something feels wrong, and panic causes delays. Instead, follow this clear, step-by-step response plan. Scenario 1. The ATM keeps your card. This is more common than people realize, especially at busy airports. If the ATM freezes, shuts down mid-transaction, fails to return your card, do not walk away without action. What to do immediately? Note the ATM location and bank name. Go directly to a nearby bank desk, if inside terminal, or airport information counter. Call your bank from the airport, not later. Say clearly, my debit card was retained by an airport ATM. I'm traveling and need the card blocked immediately. Your bank will freeze the card, prevent withdrawals, arrange a replacement if needed. This protects you even if the machine was compromised. Scenario 2. You notice an unauthorized withdrawal. If your phone alert shows a withdrawal you didn't make, act within minutes, not hours. Steps. Call your bank immediately. Report the transaction as fraud request. Card freeze. Transaction reversal. Fraud case number. Most banks refund quickly when fraud is reported early. Delay is the biggest enemy of recovery. Final takeaway. Airport ATMs aren't traps, but they demand awareness. Criminals don't target strength, they target distraction. If this video helped you, share it with someone you care about. One tip can save weeks of stress. Safe travels.